can't find the remote to the TV, guys. Do you know where it is? Because I've been looking for 2 hours.
No.
I found this remote controller. Is this it? No!
No, it's not, dude. Look at this. This is like a Wii remote from the 2009, dude.
Oh. Well, Bulbasaur, what do you got?
Oh, I got some magic. You want to see it up here?
You still got... Bro, that's not magic. That's a murder.
Look, see if it's going to appear.
Is that the remote, Pikachu? Thanks, Bulbasaur! Even though you couldn't do that for 2 hours ago, you little fuck! My movie's better, though.
No. Yeah. Sonic.
Sonic, don't... You know what? Fuck it. Alright, let's watch TV now. What time to watch TV? Ah! Did we just teleport it, guys?
I'm pretty sure we did, and we're in, like, some dark place.
Should we teleport to the volcano and push Charmander off?
Yeah!
Oh, yeah! Ah!
Are you ready to die?
Bye-bye! Alrighty. What?
It's iPhone 8.
Well, at least Charmander's dead. Oh, yeah! Alright, but, where do you want to teleport to?
I want to teleport. I want to teleport to, what do I want to teleport to?
Come eat them. You want fries?
To the Tower of Pisa.
Okay.
I'm at the Tower of Pisa. That's awesome, dude.
I know, it's super awesome. It's the best thing ever, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, time to go back. Bye-bye, Tower of Pisa.
Bye.
Next, we need to go to New York. We need to go to Paris.
You need to go to your mom's room.
Bulbasaur, don't even start there. Alright, no more Tower of Pisa.
And no more Charmander. He's dead.
That sucks.
It does not suck.
No, that we're not going to Tower of Pisa.
Yeah, you're right.
But Charmander, say it!
Yeah!
Alrighty. Where should we go next? Let me think. No. I got it.
Let's go on the cliff and jump off.
Alright, Bulbasaur.
Let's jump off.
Go. Can't believe this remote control can teleport.
I know, and I'm surprised we didn't die.
That's because I pressed the remote control. I believe this remote control can make us teleport.
I know, dude, and I'm surprised we didn't die.
That's because I pressed the remote control right when we were about to fall.
Okay.
Alright, so where are we going to next?
Let's go outside instead of being in here all the time. Welcome to the Oreo commercial. Even though I ate all the Oreos, you can pay $25,000, and also if you buy them right now, I will kill you for the low price of $8. Wait, don't attack me, 'cause I love you, you love me. Let's sing along. I love you, you love me.
Let's kill Barney all with me.
Uh-oh.
Ah! Shall we go back home?
Yes.
Can't believe this remote control can teleport.
I know, and I'm surprised we didn't die.
That's because I pressed the remote control.
We teleport now. You teleported to my box. Then there's a meteor shower.
Oh, fuck.
Oh.